We're gonna fly on this jet that costs $500,000 per flight. And we're also gonna fly on this $25,000 private jet, a $10,000 first class seat, a blimp, and so much more. But before I show you what it's like to fly on some of the most luxurious planes on the planet, we're gonna fly on the cheapest plane in the world.
It's really rickety.
Here's the dollar. I'm very nervous.
Nothing to be nervous about. I've done this half a dozen times.
You've done this 6 times.
Why does this sound like a lawnmower engine? Time for a ride on the world's cheapest plane ticket. Oh boy. Oh my God. Oh no. We're going so fast.
That does not sound safe.
They almost hit a camera. Whoa, he's like whistling.
Keep your seatbelt on.
You just focus on keeping me alive, Doug.
I'm trying.
All right, he's in there.
All right, dibs on the channel. I got what I need. You can land whenever.
No!
Doug, come on, Doug, please.
That guy pays my bills. Be careful.
And if you guys think this is crazy, wait until later in the video when we have the world's most expensive plane ticket on the planet.
Wait a minute, you're making me feel bad.
Oh my God, he's coming in hot.
You ready to land?
We're on the ground, we survived.
Our next plane is the $1,000 first class plane ticket. But here's the thing, boys. I bought all the first class seats, so sit wherever you want.
Would you like some Miracle Mist lotion?
Why?
Because first class, baby. Fine dining, huh?
Each of us had our own seat and TV. The ticket also comes with a decent meal, a free bag of toiletries, and pajamas.
Do we get to take all this home with us?
And during longer flights, recline. We should recline into a bed.
I feel like I'm in a coffin, which I like.
Yeah, this is crazy. And best of all,
My favorite part about this $1,000 plane, I don't need to speak to Nolan.
I don't like this glass because it like separates me. I'm all alone back
That is the exact reason why I like it.
the only downside is that you don't get a lot of privacy.
It's really awkward filming a video with all these people walking by.
So let's see what a plane ticket that is 10 times more expensive feels like. And now the $10,000 plane ticket. Oh man, this is nice. I have unlimited legroom here. Look, let's start off by analyzing what we get. A tablet, a giant touchscreen TV, my own in-seat drink bar, snacks. This isn't Feastables chocolate. I want a refund.
We're getting connected to the Wi-Fi. We might have paid $10,000 for our seat, but we still have to pay $20 for Wi-Fi.
It's not free. Now we're taking off, which is pretty crazy because I can literally watch it on my TV. And because it's a 16-hour flight, I get to take a Look at how nice this bathroom is. You have a sink, a toilet, and then a shower. That is crazy. Look at that. We are 30,000 feet in the air, and I can take a shower. On top of that, me and the boys can order as much gourmet food as we want. And that's not all. We saved the best for last. Hey, how's it going? There's a private lounge in the back of the plane.
Hey, Jimmy,
Yeah? Ow.
you're not dreaming.
That was the $10,000 plane ticket. Point the camera up and down. And now we're at the $25,000 plane ticket that is up these stairs. That's right, there's floors.
This is insane.
This is crazy. We're gonna be sitting above other people.
Oh my God.
This is your room.
For $25,000, you get 2 massive rooms.
Oh, this is crazy. I've never seen anything like this.
Holy cow.
Our space on this plane is literally 4 times bigger than the last one.
I've never seen a plane where I can comfortably do jumping jacks. Look at this.
We also get 2 chairs, a ton of TVs,
There are more TVs in this one room than all of the other planes we've been on.
food served by a personal flight attendant. Why is it that after a certain price point, they always give you caviar? And a bathroom.
Can we talk about something? This bathroom is like a disappointment. No shower, no heated floors, half the size. I think the $10,000 flight was a better price point.
Would you pay this kind of money for a single flight?
I wouldn't recommend this. I would recommend a car.
Buy a car instead.
And now the best part of the room. A queen-size bed.
Ooh. Why don't they just make every seat a bed?
Bro, instead of 3 seats side by side, just put a bunk bed with 3 beds. Good morning.
That was really good sleep.
Carl, wake up, we're gonna land.
I slept like a rock. That was the world's most expensive commercial flight. Time for private flights. This is the $100,000 plane.
This thing's huge!
At this price point, you get the entire plane.
Oh, it's like a yacht.
This is wild.
This is unbelievable.
You wanna know the craziest part? This is just one of 4 rooms.
There's more to the plane? I thought this was it.
Guys, come over here.
What room is this?
This is literally another lounge area with a bunch of snacks and a huge TV. And if you're feeling tired, you get your own private bedroom.
Dude, what?
This is like a hotel.
And last but not least, the bathroom.
Tariq, shut your mouth right now.
Shut it. This is insane. There's a seat in the bathroom, Dib.
Have you ever even seen a jet half this size?
No.
Never.
What do we talk about while on our private jet?
Well, I'll tell you, last year I sold the Smitherman's account.
geez. Oh wait.
I just realized I'm taking off backwards.
I didn't realize you were taking off.
Not the camera! Stop!
This is crazy.
I can just roll back.
Oh, turn. All right, I'm going to sit down.
This might be the best bathroom yet. This is the toilet. On the toilet, you can watch TV.
Hey, Nolan, I hope you feel comfortable in the bathroom.
What's going on? I'm so confused. No. No.
He's never getting out.
Oh, wow.
I have steak, mashed potatoes, and veggies. And you guys inspired me a little bit, so I brought some pizza.
This is my favorite plane because it has YouTube. But we didn't pop up first, so now it's not.
You can tell this is a rich person bed because there's like 500 pillows. This one out of here, that one out of here.
I'm gonna fly this thingy.
And that's the beauty of flying private. You can do whatever you want, whenever. Carl's flying the plane, Chandler's jamming out the pizza, Chris is taking a nap, and I don't even know where Nolan went. There's no layovers when you fly private, and there's no TSA, so you save tons of time. Hence why basically every rich person you know owns a private jet.
Hey guys.
Yeah?
We're gonna land soon.
Carl, let me out. We're about ready to land. You gotta let me out, bro. Oh my God. That was the opposite of smooth.
Wait, is Nolan still in the bathroom?
I don't know, is he?
Carl, go let him out.
How was your flight?
Still better than the $1,000 plan.
And now the $300,000 blimp. I'll unblur it in a second. Before I remove your blindfolds, what do you think is on the side of the blimp?
Is it Nolan's phone number?
Did you do Nolan's phone number?
That would be funny.
Next time.
Take off your blindfolds. Turn around.
I heard Carl's mom. Oh my.
Why? He really loves my mom.
No, Carl, he hearts your mom. He doesn't love your mom. That'd be
No,
weird.
I love her.
Oh.
Dude, am I pushing it right now? Oh, it's like moving.
This giant aircraft can literally just be pulled by a rope. And you might be wondering, how did I afford this giant blimp and pay 6 figures to wrap it? ZipRecruiter, a recruiting platform that I use to hire people like editors, cameramen, and accountants. Let's see if it stops floating when I get on it.
That's gains, dude.
Does that mean I'm fat?
It means you work out a lot.
Or I'm fat. ZipRecruiter is where people go to discover their next great job. If this blimp crashes and I die, you guys can just use ZipRecruiter to find a new job.
That'll make it so much easier.
I feel like
Thanks,
I don't
man.
like this conversation.
All right, let's do this. Goodbye, Chandler.
Goodbye, forever. I think I heard forever.
He could have promoted anything, and he chose Carl's mom.
I'm terrified. This thing's picking up speed.
Well, we'll see you at the race.
Oh, and I forgot to mention, we're flying this blimp over 150,000 people at the world's largest race car event. And Carl has no idea. Before I die in this blimp, I want to tell you guys about ZipRecruiter. We recently made a job posting on ZipRecruiter, and I'm going to call one of the candidates and interview them. Hey, Thomas, I saw your application on ZipRecruiter. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can. Is this Mr. Beast?
Yeah, I'm Mr. Beast. It doesn't matter.
Sorry, I can barely hear you right now.
Yeah, because we're on a blimp. How long have you been an editor for?
I've been an editor for about 10 years.
Do you think you can improve our videos?
I think with a strong team and a little creative innovation, I can definitely make your videos better.
Okay, not bad. Send me some examples of your work. If, like Thomas, you want a shot to come work for us, click the link in the description or go to ZipRecruiter.com/MrBeast. We're gonna look at every single person that applies. We are now over the Daytona 500, which is one of the busiest events ever.
You couldn't have put something better on the blimp?
No, this is perfect.
This is wrong.
Can they see us? You can see them.
Carl, I can confirm everyone loves your mom down here.
I love Carl's mom.
Everybody's like, we love
Carl's mom, if you're watching, you're a lovely lady.
You're a psycho.
For your mom. And now, the most expensive private plane ticket on the planet.
Hi, Hi, welcome aboard. I suggest you taking your shoes off. The carpet's actually $2 million.
She's like, I suggest it really hard.
And by square feet, this is bigger than our houses. It's almost impossible to imagine how big this jet actually is. Right here is a bedroom.
Wow.
A bedroom. Another bedroom. Another bedroom. Keep going. This is for the crew. Another bedroom.
What'd you find?
My dibs.
The bedrooms on this plane are way more extravagant. Gold-plated sinks, multiple showers.
Wait, what's in there?
That's the toilet.
This plane comes with its own theater, a lounge that can seat up to 12 people, and then over here is the living room.
This is like a bigger couch than what I have in my house.
I just want you to know, you've only seen a third of the plane so far. There's more?
What? Oh, got some good stuff.
You can call a flight attendant to your bedroom.
If we could do this every time we fly, I'd live in the air. Whoa, what is that?
Sorry, I'm turning the lights on and off.
How did I miss this room? Like, we walked around the whole plane.
And in case you thought you saw everything, there's also massages on this plane. How is it, Carl?
It's amazing.
So I really just shouldn't.
Gentlemen, how were we able to afford this plane?
I would say only our fans.
And because of that, we invited a bunch of random subscribers on this $500,000 plane ride. Have you ever flown on a private jet before?
No, this is my first time.
And it's the most expensive one on the planet.
I've never seen anything like this on a plane. Like, this is crazy.
Ma'am, what is this right here?
That's gas station chocolate.
Can you just throw it? Okay. I didn't think she'd literally throw it. This is the chocolate you need to serve from now on, okay?
Got it.
It's called Feastables. It's the highest rated chocolate on the planet.
What the heck is over this way?
Yo, this gotta be a secret room. That's where the crew is. We just got a bunch of funny looks.
Attention, boys. We're about to take off. Fasten your seatbelt. Stop being hooligans. Thank you. Typically, what kind of people fly on a plane like this?
Business people?
How do my dumb friends compare?
Pretty dumb, I guess it's
At this price point, they serve the highest quality food anytime you want it and wherever on the plane you want it. Even in your own private master suite. Do you guys even know where we're going? No. We're taking you all to Disney World and we're gonna give you 2 days of all expense paid trips to do whatever you want.
No way!
So if you wanna fly on the most expensive jet in the world and then spend 2 days all paid for in Disney World, subscribe.